What's going on, guys? Authentic J's back again with another video, and this is going to be a super short tutorial on how I made this wallet. First, you're going to remove the finish with some acetone, then you put on the vinyl and make sure to add some heat so it's really on there. As you can see the texture of the wallet through the vinyl. Now we're going to make half the sign red because obviously the love sign is red. Then we're going to spray the LV gold because I bet you can guess where it was inspired by. Yup, you guessed it, the Illuminati. Nah, I'm just kidding. All I did was I separated the LV logo in Photoshop. And this is why we heat the vinyl. Look at how little the paint bled. Now this next step is completely optional, but what is Philly without love and cheese sticks? So you already know your boy had to add some cheese sticks to this wallet. Man, just look at that whiz just pop out at you. Now, I'm a whiz-wit type of guy. I know everyone's different, but I didn't want to add onions to this because I didn't want to make it too sloppy. But if you want to add onions to your custom, I support you 100%. Now comes the tedious part. You're going to outline this drawing, and if you're going to use this type of marker, make sure to shake it up. Now, there aren't many tips I can give for this. Just take your time, you know, it ain't a race. Slow down. I said slow down. Now, once you're done outlining, you're just going to hit it with your favorite finisher, and you're done. And if you followed all these steps, it should look a little something like this. And that's all for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I already know I'm going to get asked this a lot, so no, it is not a real Louis Vuitton wallet. I ain't got bread like that. Oh, and before I forget, thank you guys so much for helping me pass 300 subs. It's been quite a journey, but I'm glad we're here now. Thank you guys so much to everyone who likes and comments the video. I read every comment. I really appreciate you guys. Let's keep on growing. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.